Hello, guys. We are live. Hello. Good afternoon, everyone, and happy Monday. So I really don't do unboxing videos like that, but I wanted to do this one because I believe the LC. For those of y'all, if y'all don't know who I am, my name is Letitia Campbell of CampbellSuccessNetwork.com, and I am your #1 sales success strategist. I help you develop habits that will allow you to reach your goals, get the most out of your time, and curate and maintain an action plan so that you can generate more sales online and build your empire. Hey, Sydney. Hey, Shantae. Hey, girl. Hey. Hey, Jacqueline Ramos. Hey, Therese. Therese, if you could do me a favor and put my website on the bottom so I could pin it. I love you so much for that, sis. Thank you guys so much for hopping on. So I have a question for those of y'all. I have a question. How many of you guys type in 1 if you go live consistently? What I mean by consistently is at least 3 to 5 times a week. Type in 2 if you do not go live consistently. Hey, Miss Tasha, Channel 4 News. What's tea, Darlene? What's up? Hey, guys, it is Monday. It's Monday. Hey, Megan. What's up, Miss Deadleaf Diva? Yes, type in 1, ladies, if you go live consistently. Type in 2 if you don't go live consistently. Now, you guys know I've been live streaming for the past, I believe, like ever since 2016, maybe a little bit before that. When I first started going live, there was only Periscope. Those of you guys who don't know what Periscope is, it was like the very, very first live streaming platform, a little bit right after Google Hangout. And back when I went live, there was no Facebook Live, there was no Instagram Live, there was none of the stuff you guys are seeing now, the stuff you guys are seeing today. So I have over probably 2,000 videos out there surfing through the social media, and I'm always trying to figure out a way to stand out and also just to make my live stream a little bit fun. So other day I went on Amazon. And guys, I'm not an affiliate of this product at all. I just wanted to share this with you guys. And I got myself a green screen, y'all. Yes, I got myself a green screen. Yes. Hey, Carol, thank you for hopping on. Hey, Nakia, what's tea? All right, let me look at you guys' comments. So those of you who are just hopping on, my question for this morning is type in 1 if you go live consistently. What I mean by consistently is at least 3 to 5 times a week. Type in 2 if you don't go live consistently. All right, so Tasha said 2. Tasha, I've been seeing you go live more the past couple of weeks, so give yourself more credit, sis. Therese said 1. I know, Therese, you are banging it out. I'm sorry if Therese can go live consistently, then all of you guys can go live consistently as well. Darlene said 2. Darlene, let's get on it. Megan said 1. Megan, let's go. Let's go. All right. Hey, Niley, welcome. All right, so I'm going to do a little bit of unboxing, guys. I just got this green screen. I haven't tried it out yet, so I guess I will give y'all a part 2 update about it. Darlene said, I just told my boys I was going to get one. Girl, you need one, girl. So, and y'all don't have to get a green screen if you don't want to, but I think everyone should, to just, you know, zhuzh up your live streaming a little bit. So I got this here, and I haven't set it up yet. It's the Explorer 70, and I like how it comes into this package because you guys know I'm going on tour next year, this year coming up, and I'm trying to find out where the hell the zipper is. Zipper. And so it comes, I can literally take this everywhere I go. Now it is kind of long, guys. I got the 70-inch. I was going to get the 90-inch, but I was like, no, the 90 inches is just too much, you know. So it comes like this. I'm gonna do another video showing you guys how it looks when it's all out. But it comes with all this equipment. The green screen is actually inside of here. These are the stands, the stencils that the green screen stands on, and this is the actual stand for the bottom. So I love the packaging on how it came, and I'll do another video to show you guys how it looks set up, because I need both my hands, and I literally rearranged my office just now. Look at that, man down. I just rearranged my office so I could fit this screen in here. But these are the pieces it comes with. Ain't this awesome, guys? It's all in one. It is all in one. And I think this only cost me about $100. And guys, if you're going to get the green screen, make sure y'all get the warranty with it. I think the warranty was only $8. But just in case, you know, it breaks or something happens to it, at least you're covered. But I just want to show you guys how it looks when it's outside the box, like in this normal setup, and how you could basically take this anywhere. So I'm excited about this, guys. You're going to see a lot of my lives with this green screen in the background and different photos and different pictures also. Hey, Amber, what's going on? Hey, Tamika, happy to see you. Hey, Helen, happy to see you on. So, guys, I'm going to finish setting this up. I've got my tripod and my, oh, you didn't finish it, Megan. My twins are into TikTok, and this will help them. Yeah, TikTok is, yes. I'm about to start uploading content on TikTok too. So those of you who are content creators, those of you who are utilizing live streaming to share your message, always try to think of another creative way to just add that extraness to your broadcast. And, you know, because live streaming and videos is just timeless. You could use it forever. So, guys, let me finish setting this up. Thank y'all for watching. I just want to pop in and show y'all sort of like a day in the life. It's Monday. You guys know this is my CEO day, so I'm going to start to record some awesome content for my upcoming series. And guess what, guys? I have a brand new monthly membership program that's about to launch very soon. It's called the Success Inner Circle. So for those of you guys who wants to get inside my inner circle, but you can't, you right now is not the right time for you to get inside of my actual 4-month coaching, but you want to at least get that step-by-step instructions every single month. Be a part of my monthly membership. It's going to be at extremely low cost so that all of you guys can get access to it. And it's going to be called My Success Inner Circle. And I can't wait to see you guys inside. All right. I'll catch you guys next time. As always, don't forget, get out there and dominate, because it's time to design a life that you deserve. Bye, guys.